Hi folks, my name's Dave Johnson. I'm a Master Certified e-Business Consultant, so please subscribe to my channel for any future notifications. Before I go any further, everything I offer on this video requires no credit card, no PayPal, no payment whatsoever. Okay, and I've got a very special free bonus at the end of the video for any affiliate marketers out there or make money online people. So if you're interested in that, I've got a very special free offer at the end of this video. Okay, on to the product today. This is a collection of affiliate marketing templates to help you sell more. I take it you've all heard of affiliate marketing. If you haven't, it's many of the world's most successful entrepreneurs starting out utilize affiliate marketing strategies, and many still use it in conjunction with their business that they run today. So briefly, in case you don't know, affiliate marketing is advertising other people's products and services for a returned commission. So as an affiliate, you also advertise specific products you like, and each time someone makes a purchase using the link you provide, you make a small profit. So you can have those templates off me today for free. And with that, I'm also going to offer a very special bonus, which includes 50,000 free guaranteed visitors to a site of your choice, no strings attached. Okay, so you can put your affiliate link in the box supplied, and you will get 50,000 guaranteed visitors within, you don't get them all at once, you'll get them within 6 to 8 months, something like that. Okay, and also I will throw in 250 cutting edge ebooks, all downloadable for you. Okay, so to get all these, all three, you need to click the link below this video. Alright, enter your details, and then you'll get access to the affiliate templates, the 50,000 free guaranteed visitors, and over 250 cutting edge ebooks to download, and they're all yours free of charge. No sign up fee, no credit card, no PayPal. So guys, subscribe to my channel for my next free offering. Give it a like, give it a thumbs up, share, put a comment in if you like. So don't forget, click the link below this video to claim all those 3 offerings. And that's it from me today, so stay safe everybody, and I'll see you with my next video.